Y'all know what the motherfucking police trying to tell us backstage?
They try to tell us what the fuck we can't play. Motherfuckers trying to tell us what the fuck we can't say. This is NWA. We do what the fuck we want to do. We say what the fuck we want to say. So everybody, put the middle fingers high in the sky. To the punk ass cop backstage. Yo, Drake.
What up?
I got something to say.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad cause I'm brown. And not the other color, so police think they have the authority to kill a minority. Fuck that shit cause I ain't the one. For a punk motherfucker with a badge and a gun to be beaten on. It's on in jail, we can go toe to toe in the middle of a cell. Fuck it with me cause I'm a teenager. With a little bit of code and a pager. Searching my car, looking for the product. Thinking every nigga ain't selling narcotics. You rather see me in the pen than me in the Lorenzo rolling in the Benzo. Be the police out of shape, and when I finish, bring the yellow tape to take off the scene of the slaughter. Still getting swole off bread and water. I don't know if they facts or what. Such a nigga dead, and grabbing his nuts, and on the other hand, without a gun they can't get none. But don't let it be a black and a white one, cause they'll slam you down to the street top. Black police showing out for the white cop. Ice Cube will swarm on any motherfucker in the blue uniform. Just cause I'm from the CPT, police are afraid of me, huh? A young nigga on the warpath, and when I finish, it's gonna be